A giant in special vehicles. Massive production scale, setting a benchmark in special vehicles. Global special vehicles look to China, and China's special vehicles look to Chengli. Founded in 2004 in Suizhou, Hubei province, the hometown of the ancient Emperor Shennong, Chengli Automobile Group has a registered capital of 500 million renminbi and total assets exceeding 10 billion renminbi. The annual production capacity of Chengli's special vehicles and emergency equipment reaches nearly 200,000 units. Chengli is a diversified group company integrating the R&D, manufacturing, and sales of complete vehicles, special vehicles, new energy vehicles, auto parts, and emergency equipment, as well as businesses in finance, education, services, and real estate investment. After 20 years of hard work, Chengli has built 5 core production bases in Hubei province. The Chengli Special Vehicle Industrial Park in south suburb of Zhengdu District, Chengli Automobile Industrial Park in Zhengdu Economic Development Zone, Chengli Dali Industrial Park in Liangshui, Chengli Heavy Industry Industrial Park in Huangpi, Wuhan, and Chengli Xinfeng Industrial Park in Dongjin New District, Xiangyang. The group covers over 5,000 acres, employs more than 13,000 people, and has a construction area of over 2 million square meters, with over 5,000 production equipment units, 18 subsidiaries, 168 professional factories, and over 40 member factories. Annual production includes 50,000 small car chassis, 100,000 special vehicles, over 10,000 new energy vehicles, and 20,000 emergency equipment units. Chengli has also established joint manufacturing and comprehensive service bases in Qingyuan, Guangdong, Ruiyang, Zhejiang, Guiyang, Guizhou, Changchun, Jilin, Ulankab, Inner Mongolia, and Dingxi, Gansu. Furthermore, joint manufacturing bases have been set up in Kazakhstan and Malaysia. Chengli is advancing towards becoming a world-renowned company. Extensive and complete qualifications, leading the special vehicle industry. Chengli Automobile Group holds a wealth of qualification resources, placing it in a leading industry position. The company has obtained certifications such as ISO 9001 Quality Management, ISO 14001 Environmental Management, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management, After-Sales Service System, Energy Management System, 3C certification, American Society of Mechanical Engineers (ASM) certification, European ADR certification, and Russian OTTC certification. Chengli also possesses rare qualifications for special vehicles, truck-mounted cranes, mobile cranes, fire trucks, new energy vehicles, and buses. This solid foundation has attracted numerous entrepreneurs, investors, and partners to Chengli's open platform. Currently, Chengli Automobile Group has more than 4,000 product varieties listed in the National Announcement Catalog. The company's various special vehicles and emergency equipment are displayed in its major R&D, production, manufacturing, and sales bases, presenting a vast array of products as if in a sea of special vehicles. Strong R&D and manufacturing capabilities, building smart factories. Chengli Automobile Group boasts strong production and R&D capabilities. The group has established a provincial-level enterprise technology center, a provincial engineering technology research center, and the Hubei Provincial Engineering Research Center for emergency rescue support vehicles. The company has over 1,300 technical personnel and has established platforms such as the Provincial Postdoctoral Innovation Practice Base and the Wuhan University of Science and Technology Student Practice Base. Chengli has independently developed products with over 500 national patents. The company is equipped with comprehensive trial production facilities and testing equipment, with over 2,000 R&D and testing devices. The group's core enterprise, Chengli Special Vehicle Company Limited, has become a leader in China's special vehicle industry with its wide product range, complete qualifications, advanced production equipment, and thorough testing methods. Chengli's digital smart factory is now fully operational and moving forward with great momentum. Promoting the special vehicle brand, achieving sales leadership. In 2023, Chengli Group ranked 378th in China's top 500 private enterprises and 5th in Hubei's top 100 private manufacturing enterprises. Chengli Automobile Group's brand awareness and influence are at the forefront of the industry. The trademarks Chengli and Dali have been recognized as famous trademarks in Hubei province and well-known trademarks in China. The group's products are sold across 29 provinces, municipalities, and autonomous regions in China and exported to 112 countries and regions. For many years, Chengli has led the nation in sales of special vehicles and emergency equipment, with its water trucks ranked first in sales for 15 consecutive years and sanitation trucks first for 10 consecutive years. Emergency equipment sales also rank among the top nationwide. Chengli has now sold a total of 2 million special vehicles and emergency equipment units. Chengli's share of the domestic terminal market for special vehicles exceeds 20%, with more than 300 global marketing service outlets and millions of loyal customers. Chengli's automotive journey is vast and dynamic, composing a splendid chapter of China's intelligent manufacturing and branding. Party leadership drives development glory. Chengli Automobile Group adheres to red heritage and party leadership, firmly establishing the principles of party leadership, steady development, and honest management as the guiding ideology and business philosophy for corporate development. The group has been honored as an outstanding private enterprise in Hubei province, one of the province's top 100 taxpayers, one of the top 100 party organizations in non-public enterprises, and a national advanced private enterprise for employment and social security. Chengli's people, never forgetting their original mission, played a major role during the difficult times of the COVID-19 pandemic by donating money, medical equipment, facilities, ambulances, and medical alcohol worth tens of millions of RMB to the Red Cross, medical institutions, schools, and communities. Chengli has actively participated in precision poverty alleviation and rural revitalization through the 10,000 Enterprises Help 10,000 Villages initiative, and its people have bravely taken part in disaster relief efforts on the front lines of snowstorms, floods, and earthquakes. Through their love and dedication, they have exemplified Chengli's patriotism. Chengli Group will continue to be guided by the three adherences and strive towards the goal of a century-long Chengli and an annual output value of 100 billion renminbi, working hard to build a world-class enterprise.